All right, we're looking to restore the Astro Vent ventilations, and so these are already out of the car. So this is basically the assembly here. This section here hooks up to the cowl in the Camaro itself, and then these come together apart fairly easy. This one here, there's a little notch. It's right here that fits here. This is the driver's side one. So that just comes off there, and then we'll just our knob comes right off, and then we've got our chrome plastic cover that houses the little ball. So we've got some clips here. So we've got 1, 2, and there's one under here that we need to lift up and get past. All right, I'm a little smarter, so we'll use something to hold those up. Be smarter. There we go. And then there's our ball. So we got our felt in here and the felt here. So those can be replaced. Well, they look in decent condition, but I'll take a look at them later. And then here's your lever with your vent that opens and closes here. So we want to get this off. Here you've got one of those pinch washers. I don't know how else to explain it. If you can see it, it's like little fingers that grab onto the rod. So what we're going to do is just going to get a tad bit of oil on there. Okay. And then we're going to very slowly pry that up. Go to both sides, rock it a little bit. And it'll slowly start working its way up. You don't want to do too hard, otherwise you'll crack this whole thing. And you'll be mad. Okay, then once you get it high enough, then you can get some needle nose or other small pliers and get a good grip on it and twist and turn and get that to come up. That way you're not putting all that pressure on the plastic. Okay, there we go. And then to pull the rod out itself, so there's the rod, and then on the inside, the rod itself is doesn't go all the way through like a rod. It has a little flat, has a wing on it. So when you go to pull it out just a little bit, and then it'll come to a stop. You wonder why you can't get it out. Well, here, these little slats are right there. Okay. So you got to turn the rod just enough where there are these little wings in there. You need to line it up. There you go. Okay. And then it comes out. Okay. And then check your flap. All right, and then your flap does have 2 sides on it. Okay, there's one side here. There's a hole. On the other side has your notch in there for that flap to go into. So it's pretty clear on how to put it back together. So that's it. So I'm going to get those cleaned up. These are pretty disgusting, as you can tell. I'm going to get those cleaned up and get the rust off of this and off the screw and the housing and other stuff. So that's it. So again, that was the driver's side, and the passenger side is identical to it, except just the levers on the other side. All right, so I'll work on getting these restored, and then do another video on the assembly, and then install for these vents.